What if I told you that the way you're tracking your leads is killing your deals? Most real estate investors are losing thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, just because they're not managing their motivated seller leads the right way. In today's training, I'm going to show you exactly how I track my leads using a mix of old school and new school methods, and why this combo has made me millions, even without using banks or credit. Champ, I've been an entrepreneur since 9th grade in high school and a real estate investor since 2006. And all that time, I've never borrowed money from a sticky banker or held a resume job. Today's lesson, is about something most rookies mess up: tracking your leads the right way for maximum profit. Let's dive in. Why lead tracking matters. If you're not keeping track of your leads, you're missing out on serious cash, period. Every untracked lead is a missed follow-up. Every forgotten seller is a potential 5 or 6-figure check flushed down the drain. And here's the truth. You don't need fancy CRMs or expensive software to get started, but you do need a system. Old school vs new school, let me break it down. New school, tools like CRMs, Google Sheets, or even Salesforce are great. They let you input seller data, set reminders to call back, automate your follow-ups. They're especially helpful if you're scaling up or have a team, but there's a problem. Digital tools can make you lazy. Everything feels far away, abstract, like looking at the earth from space. It's just a tiny blue dot. But when you're in the dirt, flipping deals, talking to sellers, and negotiating face-to-face, you need to feel the weight of your leads. The power of hard copies. Here's what I personally do and what I teach my students. Print out every lead. Use my seller intake sheet, the same one I give in my course. It includes powerful questions like, why are they selling? What's owed on the property? But what's their emotional driver? Then I staple that page. I write notes by hand. Sometimes it's got coffee stains, sweat stains, even a drop of blood if I got a paper cut. No joke. And you know what? That folder gets thick fast. And every time I look at it, it's a reminder of the deals I haven't closed yet, a slap in the face saying, get your butt in gear, Mick. When you see a stack of papers that thick, it hits harder than 100 lines on a spreadsheet. It's visceral. It's real. It creates urgency. How to combine both. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying throw away tech. I'm a big fan of automation. Here's what I recommend. Input everything into Excel or your CRM for record keeping and automation. Print out the most promising leads. Carry your folder with you everywhere, because you never know when a seller is going to call while you're at the grocery store. This combo will 10x your follow-ups. It'll help you track which sellers you've called. Remember the tone of the last convo. Send personalized letters and texts. And most importantly, close more deals. Tool up how to start fast. If you want a smart way to start flipping and making money today, I built a whole system around this mindset. It's called the New Flip. The New Flip. This is the smartest way to start flipping and make money right now. I designed it to teach you negotiation, hustle, and how to spot deals in real life by flipping stuff like bicycles. It's how I made my first money while learning the skills that helped me crush it in real estate. Learn how to find deals, talk to sellers, and close starting today. Grab it now at thenewflip.com. Feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or spinning your wheels? If your problem isn't just systems but mindset, I got you. Reboot. This is my personal mindset reset for hustlers who feel stuck or burned out. It'll help you rewire your brain to take massive action, overcome fear, and dominate your day. Start your reset now at myrealestatedojo.com. Reboot. To recap, use tech to stay organized. Use hard copies to stay motivated. Carry your leads with you in your car bag or briefcase, and print them out, mark them up, and use that physical reminder to follow up, negotiate, and close. You're in the people business, not the spreadsheet business. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you'd ever imagined. Rumi. Don't take no for an answer. Much love and peace. Meek, Mr. No Flu FF.